What's up, guys? Welcome to my garage. So for today we have 5 magnetic gadgets for the garage. Maybe you will find some useful. Let's see what we have, and maybe some of them we will put to the test. Okay, so first let's start from the smallest one. So what we have here is magnetizer slash demagnetizer for the screwdrivers. So let's open it up. Okay, so it looks like that, just simple cube. So what it does, see on the top we have demagnetizer minus and magnetizer plus. So screwdriver, maybe it will work better. I'm using Vorf, quite old but unbeatable. So let's demagnetize. Still sticks, but it won't pick like. Okay, let's try magnetizing. Yeah, now it sticks and holds. Very good. Yeah, works perfect. But if you have any magnet, to be honest, you can use it. So just touch the screwdriver to the magnet, hold it or wrap it a little bit, and it will be magnetized. Okay, so let's say 7 out of 10 for this gadget. Would I use this in my garage? Probably no. I'm using always the magnet if I need, but yeah, okay. So the next one, magnetic pickup tool. That's how it's called. Cost €1.50. So what we have here, we have like little tool you can adjust anywhere in your pocket. Attach, not adjust, sorry. Yeah, and it's pretty much like radio antenna. What it does, when you have screw drop somewhere where you can't reach, you can do like this and voila, done. So let's improvise. We have trying to screw where we can't reach and drop. Hands won't fit. Yeah, so what we do, undo this and here we go. This is very handy. I have a couple of them and very handy to have with you in the car, in your garage, anywhere. It's very small, little, you can take in your pocket, not take space. That's brilliant tool, 10 out of 10. I would use and using always. Okay. Let's go for another one. So another one is, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Oh yeah, it shows. Magnetic hooks. Handful in your garage probably. I didn't try it yet. I didn't have like this, so let's try up. Let's open it. Okay, so what we have there, little magnet and hook. So we need to attach, screw in. That's it, it looks like that. I attach for you guys metal bar here just to improvise my toolbox. So yeah, let's try. Yeah, it's not the strongest magnet, but I think it does the work. Let's see. Let's say compressor tool. Does it hold? Yeah. So even probably you can use on your compressor on the side, so you can't lose all attachments you have, because I'm always losing. It's everywhere in the garage. Yeah, let's do another one. Yeah, it does the job. So we have 10 of them in the packet. The packet costs €2.99. So it's not that expensive for the 10 piece. And yeah, I think it holds and does the job. Let's see the fourth one. Okay, let's do this one. So what we have here is magnetic holder for screwdrivers or anything similar to screwdrivers. Let's see what we have here. Let's move this a little bit to the side so they can see. Okay, so it's very simple, and I don't think it's worth money. What I paid €2.99, sorry, so €3. Wow, it's quite strong. Let's see, screwdriver. Not bad, but yeah, does the job. Quite good, and holds even bigger one. Durability, yeah, it's strong. So, do I need? Probably no, but I will leave to you guys to decide. Comment below, will you use this in your garage? Yeah, so, and the last gadget. This is more for the painters, or well, a handful for me too. I do the painting sometimes, primering my gates and doors before painting with the proper paint. Let's put to the test this one. So on the instruction it shows you can use for the can, for the plastic buckets as well. So it's called magnetic paintbrush holder, but it also have a little thing to open the cans. Okay, let's open up. So yeah, it's a little plastic thing with 2 magnets here. Yeah, spring quite strong. Yeah, and you see this little metal thing? So it's can opener, paint can opener. Well, let's try. So we have here just paint. Let's try to open first. It was used before, so probably the paint stuck and it will be hard, but let's try. Yeah, it works. Opens. Yeah. You can see it was stuck, so it does the job. Okay, and what we got next? We need to do like that and a touch. Yeah, sits good. So when you're using the paint, just go inside, paint something, and if you don't need, just stuck there. Stuck like this. Yeah, it's very good, very good. I like a lot. I will use this 10 out of 10. Let's see with the plastic bucket for the paint if it's gonna work well. Okay, so here we go. So we attached it same again, using paintbrush. Yeah, does the job. I'm always, when I'm doing the painting, you're always looking where to put brush, so sometimes like that and it's dripping on the floor. Yeah, this, left, that's it, done. Very useful. I like very much. So please comment below if you find any useful gadgets what we looked today. I found a couple of them, so this is number one for me. Probably hooks, not too bad, and that one as well, very good. So let's say what I will use, these two definitely 100%. These three probably not. Hooks maybe, but yeah. Okay, so thanks for the watching. That's it for today. Please subscribe if you like, please thumbs up, please comment below, and see you in the next videos. Bye.